coffee warm, the air so kind, the world resets my wandering mind. Each step I take feels calm and new, each dream reborn in morning dew. The reggae beat, the bass line slow, carries peace I used to know. I breathe the salt, I feel the sun, the day begins, my race is run. No more fear, no need to hide, the light of life shines deep inside. The rhythm rolls, the shadows fade, a better self the dawn has made. Morning breeze, you set me free from all I was, I come to be. Morning breeze upon my face brings me back to a quiet place. Golden light through palm trees sway, a brand new world begins today. The world still hums, the sky still white, each tone a wave that hits the tide. The bass line deep, the drum so kind, the reggae groove clears up my mind. Each echo flows, each note remains a healing voice that breaks the chains. The sea reflects the rising light and turns the dark to morning bright. I hum along, I feel the sound, the earth still spins, the peace profound. Each moment breathes, each second flows, the music in my spirit grows. No pain to hold, no tear to dry, just freedom dancing in the sky. Each sound a gift, each note divine, the morning's truth is now all mine. Ooh, morning sun, your work has just begun. Ooh, breeze so near, whisper hope into my ear. The echoes roll, the rhythm slow, the reverb hums where rivers flow. The bass line warm, the tone so true, the day reborn through me and you. Ooh, gentle light, turn my dark to bright. Ooh, endless blue, I find my peace in you. The dub expands, the echoes wide, the ocean waves and time collide. The rhythm pure, the soul set free, the morning breeze still sings through me. The city wakes, the world feels kind, the music hums inside my mind. The children laugh, the people smile, the day begins in reggae style. The wind still moves, the sky still glows, the spirit hums in steady flows. Each beat a sign, each sound a grace, that life can start from any place. No end to love, no fear to stay, the dawn returns to guide my way. The sand still soft beneath my feet, the rhythm calm, the groove complete. I raise my eyes, I breathe the tone and know I'm never quite alone. The breeze still cool, the light still true, the world peace begins. A gentle sound, a healing tone reminds me I am not alone. Rainy groove, the bassline low carries calm in every flow. Through the gray, through silver skies, I find my truth where silence lies. The window hums, the roof beats time. Each drop becomes a soothing rhyme. The coffee steam, the candle glows. The rhythm moves where time still flows. The reggae chords, the soft refrain turn every storm into a game. No need for sun, no need for blue. The rain still shines in shades of you. The city sleeps, the air feels kind. The echo clears my crowded mind. The thunder rolls, the sound is wide, but peace still blooms from deep inside. The snare so light, the bassline near, it drowns my doubt, it calms my fear. Each drop a word, each tone a prayer. The storm reminds me love is there. Raindrops fall upon my skin. The world slows down, the peace begins. A gentle sound, a healing tone reminds me I am not alone. No way. Ooh, ooh, I've run from storms, I've fought the rain on, carried hurt, I've felt the pain. But now I see the gift it brings, the sound of life in everything. The rhythm flows, the air feels clean. The raindrops paint a silver scene. Each echo soft, each note divine. It melts the walls inside my mind. The thunder low, the snare still true. The bassline hums a deeper view. Each wave of sound, each breath of grace becomes the calm I can embrace. No sorrow left, no fear to stay. The rain just sings the pain away. The rhythm moves, the heart replies, and love keeps shining through the skies. Ooh, oh, oh. Rainy groove, you know our hearts can prove. Ooh, thunder kind, you wash the wave from mine. The echoes roll, the reverb wide. The sound becomes the evening tide. Each tone repeats, each chord still true. The sky still hums a deeper blue. Gentle fall, you make me feel it all. Ooh, sweet refrain, you turn my tears to rain. The bassline low, the snare so mild. The world still hums, the soul beguiled. The dub expands, the lights grow dim. The rain and rhythm start to blend. The storm fades off, the night grows clear. The peace remains still crystal near. The puddles shine, the air feels new. The world reborn in silver hue. The reggae groove still calm and slow. The love inside begins to grow. Each drop still falls. turns gold, the light grows soft, the air feels old. Every sound slows down to rest. The day lays quiet on my chest. Evening comes, my heart breathes slow. The rhythm hums from long ago. The world still spins, the stars will rise. Peace returns beneath the skies. The palm trees sway, the children's laughter turns to whispers fading after. The ocean glows, the city sleeps, the light dissolves in silver deeps. The bass line hums, the drums still roll. The evening soothes my weary soul. The world still hums, the breeze still kind and quiet clears my crowded mind. Each tone a sigh, each note a prayer. Love still floating in the air. No need to move, no need to run. The day is gone, its work is done. The rhythm slow, the colors fade. The peace of night begins its shade. Evening come, you hold me true. You turn my gray to golden hue. Evening come, the sky turns gold. The light grows soft, the air feels old. Every sound slows down to rest. The day lays quiet on my chest. I thank the sun for all it gave, for love and light, for all it saved. Each tear I cried, each joy I found becomes a rhythm pure and sound. The sky's still warm, the stars appear, their melody still draws me near. The dub expands, the bass still deep, the world drifts softly into sleep. I hum a tune, I close my eyes, the colors fade but never die. Each sound remains, each word still true. The world feels fresh, my heart feels new. The night begins, the fireflies glow. The peace I lost returns to flow. Each echo pure, each tone divine. The world and I in perfect line. Oh, evening air, you wash away my care. Amber sky, teach my soul to fly. The bass line rolls, the echoes fade, the rhythm soft, the night remade. The stars still hum, the sound still wide. The peace of dusk won't leave my side. Ooh, gentle sound, you bring the healing round. Ooh, soft refrain, you calm my heart again. The reverb deep, the drums still kind, the world still breathing peace of mind. The dub expands, the tone still true, the evening calm still carries you. The night arrives, the air so sweet, the sand still warm beneath my feet. Each wave returns, each tide still slow. The world begins its gentle glow. I see the The day lays quiet on my chest. Evening calm, my spirit free. You'll always be a part of me. Oh, yeah, yeah. The planet turns from Kingston town to Chicago shore. The reggae heart will beat once more. Now dawn breaks slow, the fire low, but still the rhythm steady below. The sky turns red, the drums still play. A brand new light, a brand new day. The roots still hum beneath the feet. The sound still warm, the air still sweet. Each soul reborn, each voice still true. The rhythm flows through me and you. Keep that groove, don't let it fade. It's more than music, it's what we've made. Each breath, each sound, each little flame carries your love in every name. No matter where the wind may blow, the roots still deep, the fire still grows. Even when the night feels long, the reggae keeps our spirits strong. Keep the fire burning, your light still strong. The roots still move, the night still long. From the streets to the shore, the rhythm flows tight. Drums keep rolling through the heart of the night. Keep the fire burning, my soul feels free. Roots vibration deep like the sea. No matter how the dark may hide, the truth still glows from the inside. Oh, keep the roots alive. Oh, burning slow, lubricant still flow. Baseline deep, the sky turns red. The groove still hums inside my head. Keep that fire, don't let it die. Roots of the night will never lie. Jalai, rising over me, breaking chains, setting free from the dark into gold. The truth in love forever told. Twilight rising pure and clear, whispering open to my ear. Every breath, every sound is love and power all around. The night was long, the fire low, but your light starts to softly glow. The drums begin, the bass line deep, awakening hearts from restless sleep. The sky turns red, the wind still warm, a sacred peace before the storm. Each tone a prayer, each beat divine, a message written in the line. I raise my eyes, I feel the sound, the rhythm shakes the holy ground. The rhythm rolls, the spirit wide, the soul reborn from deep inside. No fear remains, no shadows lie. The sun climbs high in Jah's own sky. Each note a light, each word a flame, and all the world calls out his name. Jah light rising over me, breaking chains, setting free from the dark into gold. The truth in love forever told. I've walked through storm and heavy rain. I felt the loss, I felt the pain, but your light shines and I can see the path that leads to unity. The bass still hums, the dub still wide, the groove still rolling like the tide. Each drop of sound, each chord so near, it wipes away my doubt and fear. The world still spins, the sound still true. The light of Jah comes shining through. No hate can stand, no war can stay. Where love and music lead Roots prayer, rise from the earth, calling love, calling rebirth. The drum still speaks, the fire still high, the spirit dances through the sky. Roots prayer, forever strong, sing the truth, we all belong. From dusk to dawn, from sea to flame, one giant love remains the same. The ground still hums beneath my feet, the bass line rolls, the groove complete, the hand drum calls, the guitar cries, a sacred sound beneath the sky. The smoke still rises, the voices sing, the night still moves on reggae swing. No crown, no gold, no fame to keep, just truth that wakes the hearts from sleep. Each tone a stone, each beat a flame, each breath still speaks Jah's holy name. The wind still hums, the roots still deep, the sound of faith through nights we keep. The people sway, the children dance, the rhythm pulls us all in trance. One love, one sound, one world, one heart, we've been united from the start. Roots prayer, rise from the earth, calling love, calling rebirth. The drum still speaks, the fire still high, the spirit dances through the sky. I've walked through deserts, cried through storms, but Jah still keeps my spirit warm. Through every loss, through every fear, His voice still whispers, I am here. The bass still heavy, the horn still sing, the night still shines with everything. Each drop of sweat, each tear of grace becomes the rhythm's holy place. No book, no wall, no sword, no chain can kill the song that breaks the pain. Each beat still hums, each tone still wide, each soul reborn on the inside. The fire burns, the roots still strong, we've been chanting all along. Through every sound, through every prayer, Jah's light still living everywhere. Roots so deep, hear the mountains weep. Ooh, drum so wide, feel the tide inside. The echo rolls, the dub still clear, the rhythm wipes away the fear. Each tone repeats, the reverb high, the smoke still curls into the sky. Ooh, chanting low, let the spirit flow. Ooh, baseline wide, lift my soul with pride. The snare still sharp, the horns reply, the groove still grows beneath the sky. Each sound alive, each heart still true, the roots still breathe in me and you. The dancers move, the elders smile, the sound has traveled every mile, from Kingston town to Zion Hill. The rhythm speaks and always will, each hand that claps, each foot that pounds, becomes a prayer in sacred sounds. The world still turning, heart still high, the rhythm bridges earth and sky. still we play. The rhythm rolls into the day. The sun climbs high, the groove still soar. The fire within begins to glow. Each voice still lives, each sound still true. The roots still growing, me and you. Each breath a tone, each beat a prayer. The light of Jah still fills the air. And when the drums begin to fade, the piece of roots will still be made. No silence cold, no heart apart. The rhythm lives inside the heart. The bass still deep, the sky still blue. The sound of roots still carries through. Forever strong, forever near. The roots still whisper, Jah is here. Roots we're strong. We've been singing all along. Fire in my dome. Fire in Zion burning bright, lighting up the heart of night. One love rising, no divide. The lion roars from deep inside. The drums hit high, the bass rolls wide. A holy flame we cannot hide. The people chant, the ground still shake. The roots revive, the spirits wake.
Each snare a spark, each beat a call. No chain of fear can stand at all. From Kingston town to Lake Biwa shore, the fire of Jah forevermore.
Fire in Zion burning bright, lighting up the heart of night. One love rising, no divide. The lion roars from deep inside.
Drum and bass like thunder roll, echo beats through every soul. A guitar's conquered, clean and fast. The roots revive the ancient past. Each step we take, each hand we raise, becomes a song of Jah to praise. The flame within, no storm can kill. The rhythm moves in always will.
Oh, fire so pure.
Keep our hearts secure,
Ooh, lion strong.
guide our soul along.
Echo rolls, reverb high. Smoke of praise, a Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Freedom chant, rise up high. No more chains, no more lies. Voice of the people, strong and clear. Rebel hearts, got no fear. Freedom chant, Jah people sing. Feel the power that love will bring. Every soul, every land, one vibration hand in hand.
Again, the streets still hum, the drums still loud, the roots still strong in every crowd. The youth still march, the banners rise. Their eyes reflect the morning skies. Each bassline drop, each snare hit tight. The sound of truth ignites the night. We chant for peace, we chant for love, we chant for Jah from high above. The fire burns in every tone. The rhythm shakes the flesh and bone. No system strong, no power tall can break the roots that bind us all. The world still spins, the people grow. The reggae wind forever blow. Each word we sing, each breath we give reminds the world we still
Freedom
exist.
chant, rise up high. No more chains, no more lies. Voice of the people, strong and clear. Rebel hearts, got no fear.
Yeah, the lion roars, the drums reply. The flag still wave beneath the sky. The rhythm rolls through city walls. Each beat a voice, each tone still calls. The bass so thick, it shakes the street. The people moving steady beat. From yard to yard, from shore to shore. The freedom sound forevermore. No hate, no gun, no man divide. The truth still flows like ocean tide. Each color bright, each heart still one. We all shine under the same sun. The hands still cry, the roots still roll. The rhythm cleanses every soul. No chain to bind, no wall to stand. The power lives in Jah's own hand.
Ooh, freedom sound, lift the people off the ground. Ooh, chant so true, the fire burns in me and you. Each echo wide, each drum beat loud. The dub still moves through every crowd. The river rolls, the bass line deep. The spirit wakes what once did sleep.
Ooh, rise up tall, we won't fall. Roots still play, guide the world today. The snare still sharp, the echo spins. The chanting vibe forever wins. The dub still wide, the one still cry. Freedom chant will never die.
The world still sings, the time still near. The sound of peace we long to hear. Each child that dances, each mother's cry becomes a prayer beneath the sky. No king, no crown, no hate, no war can break this trend we're fighting for. The rhythm's strong, the heart still pure. The voice of Jah will still endure.
Each hand we raise,
Each step we take,
each note we play.
each vow we make.
The light still shines,
The flame still glows
the chant still stronger
as it grows.
No silence cold can end this fire. Our hearts unite and never tire. The rhythm rolls, the truth still free. We are the song of unity.
Freedom chant, rise up high. No more chains, no more lies. Voice of the people, strong and clear. Rebel hearts got no fear. Freedom chant, Jah people sing. people's eyes. Ooh, chant so high, reach across the sky.
The bass still thump, the snare still roll, the sound still healing every soul.
Freedom chant, forever strong. The heartbeat lives in every song. Through storm and fire, through pain and rain, the love of Jah will still remain. One love horizon, clear and true, the light of life in me and you. No chain to bind, no wall to hide. We rise together, side by side. The night fades slow, the sky turns red. The world awakes, the fears have fled. The ocean hums, the bassline low. The roots still strong beneath the flow. Each stone a wave, each sound a sea. Each heart still learns what love can lead. No crown, no gold, no man, no throne. The truth of just stands all alone. The drums still speak, the rhythm wide. The people moving one inside. Each voice a spark, each beat a flame. The world reborn in Jah's own name. The horns still cry, the dubs still roll. The roots still warm, the human soul. Each stone repeats, each echo sings. The love of life in everything. One love horizon, shining white. The sun of peace on every side. Through storm and fire, through pain and rain, the love of Jah will still remain. I've walked through time, I've seen the fall, but love still answers every call. The hills still green, the river wide. The rhythm flows with endless tide. Each stone of peace, each song of grace still echoes through the human race. No war, no hate, no greed, no lies. Just endless truth beneath the skies. The rhythm hums, the world still new. The morning paints a golden hue. Each heartbeat pure, each breath still free. The light of Jah surrounding me. The people dance, the hearts still sing. The roots of love in everything. From earth to sky, from land to sea. The sound still breathes in unity. Ooh, one love light, shining day and night. Ooh, rise and true, the world reborn through you. Each echo deep, each tone still near. The rhythm wipes away the fear. The bass line slow, the reverb wide. The dub still rolls skank of strings still builds the world where angels sing. The air still sweet, the heart still strong. The reggae rolls the world along. Each voice still clear, each soul still pure. One love remains forever sure. No end to fate, no loss to pain. The truth of Jah will still remain. Each rhythm breathes, each tone still leaves. The spirit takes, the spirit gives. No night too long, no dark too deep. For love still guards the soul we keep. The rhythm calm, the fire slow. The horizon still begins to grow. One love horizon, shining wide. The sun of peace on every side. Through storm and fire, through pain and rain, the love of Jah will still remain. One love horizon, clear and true. The lights of life in me and you. No chain to bind, no wall to hide. We rise together, side by side. Yeah. Now twilight comes, the stars still shine. The rhythm crosses every line. Each wave still hums, each tone still near. The sound of love still in the air. Each prayer still heard, each heart still kind.